How to fix Twitter? We cannot send a text message to this phone number in less than 1 minute. Yes, guys, in less than 1 minute, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. So, all what you wanna do first is very simple. Open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Now go to the Twitter. If you didn't find it right here, just search for it like this, Twitter. Now this is the app info. Click on the data usage. Scroll down, disable the background data and the roaming data. Go back again. Open the notifications management. Make sure that all the options are enabled, all the notifications. Go back, click on the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled like this. And then go back again. Open the Play Store. Click update on Twitter to update it, and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, then you have to uninstall Twitter and install it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.